This week's book of the week is Epic by John Eldredge. The subtitle is The Story God is Telling and the Role That Is Yours to Play in It. This may be familiar to some of y'all. We did work through a study based on this book, a little video series several years ago. One thing that we often do is we kind of isolate down our view of Christianity to just us and our life here and now in the present. Okay, what are the things I'm supposed to do and the things I'm not supposed to do? And okay, let me check those boxes. However, if you look in the Bible, we're actually part of a grander story that is going on, reaching back from before creation into eternity for the future. And we have this little place where we are here on this earth and we have a role to play. God is unfolding his plan and his story through history, and we have our part in it. And so I would recommend, it's a good little book, by the way. Look at that. If you're like, I'm not much of a reader, it ain't much of a book. And so that works out really good. And also for those of you who may say, well, I'm not much of a reader, there is a video kind of series study thing that goes along with it. That's the study book that goes with the video. I couldn't find the video. I must have left it at home. I thought it was here. It must have been at home. And so Epic by John Eldredge, the story God is telling and the role you play in it.
That little church on Liberty Hill, come praise the Lord, let your cup be filled. Raise your voices and we'll sing, let God's freedom ring from that little church on Liberty